Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect GetResponse to Clickfunnels. So first let's go to zapier.com and sign in with our account. We will use Zapier to integrate both of these applications. So now click on create a Zap and let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be GetResponse. Select your event. So our event will be new contact. Click on continue and click on sign in and authorize your GetResponse account to Zapier. I'm going to skip this for now and let's select our action. So our action will be Clickfunnel and our event will be add the contact or email to the list, and it's the same process. Sign in with your Clickfunnel account over here and then you'll be able to connect GetResponse to Clickfunnel. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.